Jeep, renowned for its legendary off-road vehicles, has recently unveiled the low-down concept, a modern homage to the iconic lower 40 model showcased 15 years ago at the Easter Jeep Safari. This new concept aims to captivate enthusiasts with its impressive design and formidable performance capabilities. "15 years ago, the Jeep design team dazzled audiences at the 43rd annual Easter Jeep Safari with the revolutionary lower 40. This two-door Wrangler, rolling at stock ride height, accommodated massive 40-inch Montoran tires and boasted a 5.7-liter V8 engine for substantial power. Despite its age, the lower 40 remains a fan favorite and continues to draw crowds as one of the most beloved concepts from the event. The new low-down concept pays homage to its predecessor while incorporating modern enhancements and innovations. One of the most striking features is its ability to accommodate massive 42-inch BFGoodrich Krawler tires mounted on 20-inch beadlock wheels, achieved through creative clearance work. These tires, along with custom high-clearance carbon fender flares, contribute to the vehicle's enhanced off-road capabilities. While maintaining the stock Wrangler Rubicon 392 suspension, the low-down concept introduces Dana 60 axles with 5.38 gears, replacing the standard Dana 44 axles. This upgrade, coupled with adjustments to the front and rear bumpers, results in a lowered center of gravity and significant improvements in ground clearance, breakover, and approach and departure angles. The exterior of the low-down concept is coated in a sleek poison apple red paint, accentuating its streamlined design. Rear door handles have been removed, and a custom carbon hood with a see-through power dome adds a touch of sophistication. Additionally, a bespoke race-style fuel filler door is situated in the driver's side rear quarter panel, further emphasizing the vehicle's sporty aesthetic. Inside the cabin, the low-down concept offers a blend of luxury and functionality. Custom black leather seats with cloth inserts provide comfort during off-road adventures, while Rhino-lined floors ensure durability and easy maintenance. The interior ambience is further enhanced by a purpose-built, red-tinted bikini top, casting a warm red glow upon the compartment. True to its heritage, the Jeep low-down concept is powered by a formidable 475 horsepower 6.4-liter 392 V8 engine, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. This powerhouse ensures exhilarating performance both on and off the road, delivering the capability and agility synonymous with the Jeep brand. Enthusiasts and industry insiders alike are eagerly anticipating the release of the Jeep low-down concept, with expectations running high for its performance and off-road prowess. With its combination of iconic design elements, modern enhancements, and powerful performance, the low-down concept promises to be a worthy successor to its legendary predecessor, continuing Jeep's legacy as a leader in off-road innovation and adventure.